Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related content. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The matter before this court is fraught with serious consequences, and any distinction between lawful and wrongful conduct must be drawn with utmost clarity. Full stop. The swiftness with which allegations spread in public life often undermines the credibility of institutions, and it is therefore the bounden duty of the General Secretary of every organization to respond in time. Full stop. It is equally true that the anguish of the common citizen cannot be ignored, for justice delayed causes anguish and affects the confidence of the people. Full stop. In many instances, authorities act clumsily and create a situation of disaster instead of providing relief. Full stop. The Home Minister, in his statement, assured that corrective measures shall be taken and that a spirit of resurrection will guide the nation. Full stop. The meeting convened yesterday was not an ordinary event but a historic rendezvous of leaders who, en route to the capital, were met with enthusiastic crowds from tribal as well as urban areas. Full stop. The court has further noted that political platforms are often misused to spread disinformation. Full stop. The communication from the headquarters of the party in question reveals that the speeches were thorn sown with allegations intended more to provoke than to commune with the conscience of the people. Full stop. Law requires not provocation but empathy, and every triumphant victory in democracy must be based upon fairness, not deception. Full stop. During the proceedings, several artifacts of evidence were produced, including videos and written documents. Full stop. Witnesses deposed that the protesters raised slogans in the name of martyrs and demanded that the nation pay homage to their sacrifice. Full stop. The learned council submitted that such demonstrations, if conducted peacefully, form the massive foundation of constitutional rights, but when they turn violent, they fall within the ambit of opposition to law and order. Full stop. It is important to remember that constitutional courts do not merely adjudicate upon guilt or innocence, they also safeguard the democratic fabric. Full stop. When matters are fraught with conflicting versions, the court must draw a distinction based on facts and law. Full stop. No citizen should suffer a wrongful conviction, and no accused should escape by sheer swiftness of technicalities. Full stop. The credibility of justice is maintained when both sides are given equal opportunity to be heard. Full stop. The General Secretary of the Bar Association rightly observed that justice must balance both public anguish and individual rights. Full stop. If authorities act clumsily, they risk creating administrative disaster. Full stop. The Home Minister reiterated that resurrection of faith in democracy is possible only if institutions remain impartial. Full stop and over. So ये हमारी नियर अबाउट ATWPM डिक्टेशन थी। एडिटोरियल पैसेज था जिसमें बहुत सारे वर्ड्स भी थे आपके, तो वर्ड्स के आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और उसको दोबारा लिखेंगे डिक्टेशन को, ठीक है। और मोर डिक्टेशन के लिए हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करना। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।